Okay, welcome back everyone. Trying something new today. I think I'll call it the photography quick fix. This will be a short video about a specific location and really focusing on the photography of it. We are here at Malin-Dickerson Reservation in Morris County, New Jersey, a local hotspot in the fall. There's a pond here called Saffin Pond that, while, during the summer, very fun little pond, but man, in the fall, it transforms into something pretty special. And I'm here just after a storm, trying to capture some of the trees across the pond that just light up in the right sunlight with a dark green backdrop. And just when those trees are starting to change colors, it is something else. And I've been tracking the progress of maybe 4 or 5 trees from across the lake since August. And they're not quite, they're turning a little bit. So what I like about the scene is the backdrop of some pines and really dark greens behind a few trees that are dotted along the coast of this small pond. And the ones that are in the front just are turning a little bit and have this really nice light to them. As the sun pops out, that might be good, that might be bad. One of my favorite shots I took just a couple of weeks ago was right here. Oh yeah, they're turning. I can't wait to show this on the camera. This is going to be awesome. So here's my dilemma. I can shoot very wide with a 16mm, but then frankly the subject is way too far away. I have an 18-70. That's not a great lens. It's more for video. So I won't get the sharpness that I want. And I have a 70-350, which I love, which I want to use here. But the 70 is probably just a little bit too close. So I need something around 55 on a great lens, and I don't have. Okay, here is the final composition. I was able to, where is my hand, get this tree in the frame, and on the other side, this tree in the frame. I really want to blur the water as much as I can, but I have, it's really too bright right now, and my only filter is a polarizing one, which does not reduce the stops of exposure enough to get the a long enough time on the motion blur. So right now it's only about a 0.8 of a second, and just not quite doing it for me. But what's really, to my horror, happening too, there are some bursts of sun coming through the clouds on the right. That's lighting up a few of these trees in frame now, but it's not quite making it over to the left for the composition that I want. So of course I worry, do I switch or do I keep with it? The Malin-Dickerson Reservation is named after Malin-Dickerson, a Supreme Court Justice of the state of New Jersey, and it's a 3,000-acre park right in Jefferson Township, almost smack dab in the middle between both sides of towns of Oak Ridge and Lake Opakon. Hikers, especially mountain bikers, dog walkers, trail runners, fisher people, fishermen, fisherwomen, all use this park year-round. You can also cross-country snowboard. You can also cross-country ski and snowshoe in the winter. Thank you very much for watching. Get out and explore. Oh, I missed him. He was right in front of me.